Personal loan for good credit. The best personal loans for good credit have low fixed interest rate and flexible features. Compare loan offers from multiple lenders before you choose. What is a good credit loan? Having good credit can often mean lower annual percentage rates and more favorable terms on personal loans. These loans are unsecured, meaning you don't have to put up collateral like your cars or savings. Instead, lenders evaluate against abilities to repay by considering factors like credit habits and income. You can get a good credit personal loan from online lenders, credit union, and some banks. How to choose a personal loan? Consider these factors when choosing an online lender so you get a loan you can afford. Compare rates across lenders. If you are someone with either good or excellent credit, it's free to shop around to get the best combination of low rates and fees. Most online lenders let you pre-qualify interest rates without affecting your credit using a soft credit check. Loan amount. The amount of money you could receive with a personal loan range from about $2,000 to $50,000. Some lenders offer through the amount you request from a lender may factor into their decision to qualify you, so carefully consider just how much you need. Loan purpose. A benefit of personal loan is you can usually use the money however you like, whether to pay off high interest credit costs or from home improvements, and rates may vary based on the loan purpose. Loan term. Personal loans generally have terms from 2 to 7 years, though some lenders offer extended terms for specific purpose like home improvement. A shorter loan term means you will pay less total interest on the loan. A longer term makes your monthly payments lower and potentially more affordable. Loan features. Some lenders have mobile apps where you can track your loan, which is helpful if you like to have a good handle on your finance. Others offer flexible payment schedules or options to defer a payment in case of hardship. If you are consolidating your debt, some lenders will send your loan proceeds directly to your creditor, saving you an important step in your efforts to pay off debt. Take advantage of benefits like free credit score monitoring, financial education resources, and career counseling that may be offered by your lender. What are rates on good credit loans? The APR you receive on a personal loan depends a lot on your credit scores. The better your scores, the lower your rate and the less interest you will pay over the life of the loan. The average APR for borrowers with good credit is 15.5% according to NetWallet. The interest rate also affects your total monthly payment, as does the installment. Use our personal loan calculator to estimate your monthly payment based on your credit score. Good credit loans from banks. Traditional banks are another option if you have good to excellent credit. Most offer starting interest rates on par with online lenders, and if you have an existing account with the bank, you could also benefit from an easier application process and discounted rate. American Express, which pre-approves existing MX cardholder is a good choice for consolidating credit card debt. It offers low rates on organization fee and the option to directly pay off up to 4 cards. PNC offers its banking customers a 0.25 percentage point discount on a personal loan if they choose to make repayment through their checking account. TD Bank offers loans to customers primarily in East Coast states with competitive rates and quick approval and funding times. Wells Fargo allows existing customers to apply for personal loans online and offers competitively high borrowing amounts that make it an option for funding home improvements. Personal loans for good credit. Lending Club is a peer-to-peer lending platform that offers personal loans from $1,000 to $40,000. APR starts at 8.30. Upstart is the best personal loan for little credit history, while Upstart has minimum credit score requirements. Avent is a popular lender for borrowers with peer-to-poor credit. Its minimum credit score requirements is 580 FICO and a 550 Vantage. While Lending Point is best for subprime borrowers, you could get a loan with a credit score as low as 600, which is in the range of fair credit. Sophie is a great overall option based on its wide range of borrowing amounts and payment terms to go along with highly competitive APRs, no fees and unique. Does a personal loan boost credit score? If most of your credit is a revolving credit such as credit or a personal loan can enhance your credit mix, helping you build a payment history. Making your personal loan payments on time helps to establish a positive payment history which can increase your credit score. What can I use a personal loan for? You can use a personal loan for almost any legal purpose, including home renovations, debt consolidation, medical bills, wedding costs, and vacations. You typically can't use personal loans for higher education costs and business expenses. What is a good credit score for a personal loan? Good credit score on the FICO credit scales are between 690 and 719. The credit score you need for a personal loan can vary by lender and the reason you are borrowing. The best personal loan rates and terms are reserved for those with good and excellent credit. How hard is it to get a $3,000 personal loan? You will likely need to credit score of at least 580 for a $3,000 personal loan. Most lenders that offer personal loans of $3,000 or more requires bad credit or better for global, along with enough income to affordable the monthly payments. Which bank is easiest to get a personal loan from? The easiest banks to get a personal loan from are USAA and Wells Fargo. USAA does not disclose a minimum credit score requirement, but their website indicates that they consider people with scores below the fair credit range, so even people with bad credit may be able to qualify. Thanks for watching.